How to purchase Amazon stock. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You will first have to sign up for a brokerage account. So go ahead and select a reputable brokerage that offers access to US stock markets. Ensure the platform supports international investors. Next, add funds to your account. There are multiple ways to fund your account, such as from linking a bank account to making a deposit with a debit card or wire transfer. Now, choose how much you would like to invest in Amazon stock. Navigate to the Explore page, then type Amazon into the search bar. When you see Amazon stock appear in the results, tap it to open up the Purchases screen. Further, manage your investments in one place. You can find your newly purchased Amazon stock into your portfolio alongside the rest of your stocks, ETFs, crypto, treasuries, and alternative assets. After purchasing, regularly review your investment and stay informed about Amazon's performance and market trends. So, this is how you can purchase Amazon stock. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next